YouTube, we're back with another video. We got my boy JB, one of the finest mechanics that you ever gonna meet on the street. God knows the stuff. I seen him take apart a whole engine twice in his front yard. He did it in less than a week twice. Anyway. This is my guy. So today's video, we got the G8 out here. Got some new headlights, but y'all know that I got these headers. Headers was leaking. That's because I had two exhaust bolts broke. Tongue twister. And so long story short, temporary fixed way of how to get this done. You gotta get you a pair of these right here. Basically what this does, this bolts onto the block and this pushes the header closer to the block so it can have less noise, less exhaust tick and all that. The ticking was what's killing me. So we're gonna let him get in onto there first. I wish I would have showed you the passenger side first because it looks different. It looks a little different than the front. So, but I YouTubed this and found this, and so this is what we're gonna try. I got a couple videos that you can hear with the tick. And then we're gonna do a comparison. So this is an Amazon fix, under $50 fix, temporary guys. So don't get on me in the comments. Temporary fix, because I plan on getting the whole motor broke down in the winter. I want to get that cam in there and go new up from there. But that's a whole other story. So anyway, guys, once we get these pieces on there, I'll give you an update video. So what tool did you use back there to make it easier?
Ratchet wrench.
Ratchet wrench, what's up?
16 millimeter.
16 millimeter ratchet wrench on the back made it a lot easier. Way easier. So for all my G8 guys, or my 6.0 guys out there, not G8, 6.0 guys out there, just trying to give y'all helpful videos, man. It helps y'all. Make sure y'all give me a like. Make sure y'all hit this button, give me a like, man. Let's try to get this video out there to all my 6.0 guys. Let's go.